Just saying, this is a total random video. I think you're just random. Everything. Just random.
The two random kitties.
See, that's what I mean. Everything's random.
So, there's two random kitties in this video, which is one, my sister,
I'm Burnett.
the youngest, and me, Sunday.
No, you said I was the oldest.
No,
Whatever.
and I am the president, and
I'm the assistant president. Whatever. I'll call it.
and
This is the real players. I'm Ariel, my real name.
and this is Tegan. Yes, the one who is dogs are cute, cats are cute, whatever.